Hi guys, you are watching my Wordpress series, and in today's video I will tell you that how you can set up a database, how you can make a database, and then how you can link that database with WordPress and set up the WordPress in your computer on localhost, and then how you can start making your website on localhost. So let's begin towards our today's video to know all that interesting information. Hi guys, you are watching my WordPress series, and this is the fifth episode of my WordPress series. And I hope you all are fine and you are understanding what I explained you in my previous videos. And if you didn't watch my previous videos, so must watch these videos before watching uh, today video, because if you didn't watch that videos, so you can't able to understand what I am explaining you in this video. So must watch that videos before watching this video. Okay, so let's begin towards today's video. Before starting the today's video, I want to recall the previous video that what I explained you in previous video. I explained you about servers, and then in last I explained I show you that how you can download install the XAMPP. Okay, so when you download that file, you have to extract that file, and then this folder uh, is extracted from that file. Okay, when you come under when you come and in this file, when you look in this file, the only file to our whichever concern is, which is docs file. We have to work on only this file docs. Okay, so remember this file docs. So in this file, now now in this file I will teach you that how you can install and set up WordPress. So today's topic of today's video is how to install and set up WordPress. Okay, so for it, first of all, come on the Google. Okay, come Google. As I show you in my previous video that you have to install the XAMPP on from Google. So you also have to download the WordPress, and whenever you are going to make a new website, you have to download a new file of the WordPress, because they launched their new version after a very less time. So you have to WordPress download. Okay, we are working on WordPress.org. So click on the first link, download. Here you get the latest version. So you have to confirm that you're using the latest version. Okay, click on download. Here the download starts. It's a small file of 23 MB. So it takes about 1 minute. Okay, so here you can see we have downloaded that file. So let's go and downloads. Here you can see we have downloaded it and we got that file. So this is the main thing the first step to installing and setting set up the WordPress to start making new website. Okay, so take this, cut it, and take this to Gonzam. And I told you before that this is the very important file htdocs, to whom which we consent. This is the only file. You don't need to go in other files, because we have to work in only htdocs files. Okay, so here you can see we have downloaded the WordPress zip. Okay, so first of all we have to extract it. Click on extract here. It will take almost some seconds. So doing this, I will tell you another thing. In my previous video, I tell you that how you can download XAMPP. When you end up downloading XAMPP, okay, and this is extracted. This is the file WordPress. When this is extracted, its name is WordPress, simple WordPress. Here you can see all this. I explain you that what is this. Okay, first of all, come towards the next step. What is the first step? First step is install WordPress. Okay, we installed the latest version of WordPress. Whenever you are going to make a new website, you have to install that zip file again and then extract that. Okay, we have done the first step. We done the first step. Now come towards second step, which is I told you in my previous video, when you extract the XAMPP file, when you download the XAMPP, so you when you end up downloading the XAMPP, this thing comes to you. This thing is shown to you when you end up downloading that thing. Okay, so if you close that thing, if you want to open, go in search bar and search XAMPP. Here you can find XAMPP control panel. Click on it. You will find that interface. Okay, so we are only concerned to Apache and MySQL. So start that two things. Okay, start them and let's minimize them. We don't need anything more. So what is the second step? Starting. This is the very crucial step, so you have to install them before starting work because if you're going start the exam and Apache and MySQL, so you don't able you are going to able to start you are going to able to set up your WordPress on your computer because you are making website on localhost. So understand this point. So let's go towards our third step, which is our website is basically I told you that is running on and is made on database. So what is database? With all the data of the website, all the data of users, with all the data of website, entire things of website is stored. Okay, what is the people who come visit our website, what they comment, what they are saying about my website, and if we make the e-commerce website, so what the person are demanding, what the people are ordering, what people are ordering from my website. So these all things are managed in database. So it is very crucial, but it is very important to understand like what is database. So we are working on localhost. So first of all, you come on Chrome and write localhost slash. Then first of all, we have to set up the database. So like php my admin. Okay, php my admin. Click enter. It will take some time for you when you are when you are opening it first time. Here you can see all the database. Here you can see the database of my own website, Sam Web Builder. Okay, here all the data of, for example, if we open any of one of them, for example, if we open this, you can see they are. If we open that contact, they are tables, and if you can see they are different things, posts, terms. They are different tables made by the made in the database on which our WordPress is on which our website is running. Basically, all the data of my WordPress is stored here. Okay, so when I make my WordPress on localhost, so what we have to do, we have to make a new database. Come here and name your database. What is the name for your database? It's a first website, so and we are practicing. So give that database name practice. We are giving the name practice to our database. Okay, so was so uh, give the name and click create, and here your database is created. Now there's no tables in your, like here you can see different tables, different things. There's nothing in this. It is a empty database. So you have to only give name and click create in this, or in this page. All the other things we have to do is we will do on another thing. Okay. So when you end up making a database, close this page, open localhost. You can you have extracted that file WordPress. You can change its name. For example, if we are making a first website, rename that to first website. So for example, if you are must remember there's no space between the name of the tag file. Okay, so we will name first web. So first website. So you can change its name according to your website which you are making. Okay, so come here like localhost slash, and if you're going to change the name, if you keep its name WordPress, so click on so like here WordPress. If the like localhost slash and then write the name of the file which you extracted, and whatever you keep its name like here. For example, what we keep its name, we first web. Okay, localhost slash first web. So this file open, click enter. So now the process of installation and setup of the WordPress started in your computer. So it is asking about language. Click on English. Continue. Now it is asking you. It is taking you information about your database. It is asking information from you from about your database. Okay, so click on Let's Go. Database name. What we have given the name of our database. What is the name of our database? Practice. Okay, so write the name of your database here. What is the username? Username of database owner. So whenever when you are working on localhost, so must remember that the username of the our database is root. Must remember root, and password is empty. There is no password. Okay. And what is who is our host? We are working on localhost. We are working on localhost. I have told you before. And what is table prefix? You can change it according to your need. Otherwise, it is okay. You can keep that name. There's no problem. You can, if you are making a blogging website, you can keep the blog. Okay. So when you done all that things, practice what is the name of your database. User is always same root, and there's no password. When you're working on localhost, and names hosts are also same. You only have to write the username and the database name. What you have to keep, what you have write. So okay, click on submit and then run the installation. What is the your site title? Okay, which is showing you on above the website. For example, if we are making a first website, so we will give the title my first website, and this is the username which you will give it to login into your WordPress. Okay, the previous username and password is the username of the database owner, and here you are giving the username which you have to enter when you are which you have to enter when you want to enter into, when you want to edit, and when you want to change anything by going in WordPress. Okay, so like admin, keep its username admin, and change its password to 12345. It's a weak password, so when you use weak password, it will take confirmation from you. So confirm use of weak password. You can change it from inside, so you can change it when you are making your website. Okay, I am teacher. explaining you. So your email, you can give any of your email. You can also change it from inside. So you give the cycle username, password, and then you have to give a strong password, then email. And what's that thing? Well, you don't have to check this because if you when you have to check this when you are making website for you for only when you want that no one can see your website, and you want to make a private website. You don't want that a public public see your website. So then if you don't want the public see your website, then check this, because this discourage SEO, and this going to this creates difficulties in SEO later. So don't check this if you make the website which you have to public in future. So click on install WordPress. When you click install, it will take some time, almost 30 seconds to 1 minute. So wait for it. Here you can see it is also giving warning, change your password. Okay, because we use very weak password. Click here, login. Here you can, here you have to give that username, which I said you that you are giving that username to enter in your WordPress. So what we have give, what the username we have give the admin. So like admin, and what is the password? 12345. You can change it when you are making your own website. You have to keep the strong password. Click on login, and here all the installation and setup of WordPress is done. The WordPress is open in front of you. Okay, here is your dashboard. You can see the dashboard of your WordPress, and you can start making your website. And here is your website. It's the default look of the website or WordPress website. You can see it. We work with the title of our website, which we have gave my first website. It is a sample page. Okay, so here you can see we have installed and set up the WordPress, and here I teach you, and then I will show you that localhost PHP my admin. Here you can see when we make this database, this is empty, and now we link that database with it. So now WordPress automatically create the tables in it. When we do programming, we have to create tables by ourselves. But when we are installing, when we are making a website on WordPress, so WordPress automatically install and creates all the table in that database. So you can see here, it creates all the tables, command, commands, links, options, post meta. It creates all the tables in it. Okay, so you don't have to change anything in the database, because if you want to change anything in the database, you have to know the programming. So we are in this course, we are not doing programming. We are learning to make the website without knowing even single word of programming, because we are making website on WordPress. Okay, so in today's video, I teach you that how you can explain you that how you can install and set up WordPress. So, and two steps. First step, what is the first step? Install WordPress, extract this, and when I repeat that whenever you are going to make a new website, you must have to install a new zip file of the WordPress, because the new versions came after a very short time. So you have to install the latest version. Then start the XAMPP. What is third step? Set up or create a database. Create a database. Okay. And what is the first step? What is the first step? Run the what is the what is the what you have to write in the Google localhost localhost slash, and here you can name of file. Here you write the name. Run localhost and name. Name of which file, which when you extract this, by default its name is WordPress. You can change its name, and you can also keep the name of that file WordPress. Okay, so when we change this name, its name to first web, so we have to write here first web, localhost first web. Okay, run, and then fill all the things and they click on run the installation, and then I show you that how you can set up all the WordPress site, and you came to this dashboard page by setup and by installing all the WordPress. So in today's video, it's all about today's video. Like I explain you like how you can set up WordPress in your computer, and it's the first step to start making your website. So we will we started practical work of our this is. So I hope you understand. If you have any query, if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. I will answer you. So this is the all about today's episode, and I hope you understand. Take care of yourself. Uh, I will bring more videos, more educational videos for you, more information for you. So subscribe my channel for for more videos like this, and stay tuned for more videos of this series. So make you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.